All right, so let's talk a little bit more about the hat. Hat is very comfortable. I don't sweat around it. I sweat on top because if you guys can see, the mesh is perfect for it. Now there's 3 speeds for the actual fan, but you need to charge it because halfway down the line it finished up, and the only sun that was hitting me was only playing the actual rotation of the actual fan. So if you want this to last a little longer, I suggest charging it, and it does have 2 connections in the back. All right, now the hat itself is foldable. It fits on anywhere, any bag, especially if you're going fishing. I'm gonna keep this by my tackle box because it's something I would enjoy taking on the sun, especially on a hot day today. I'm working out here. The V-rays are super high right now. I'm trying to protect my head as much as possible because I don't have any hair. I'm a bald guy, so you know, you don't want to make sure that you can't catch anything bad in there. So make sure you either also not only protect yourself with a hat, but also add sunscreen too. So these things made for everybody's head pretty much. This thing, it's you can actually retract it or tighten it up if you want. It's up to you, optional. Now option, make sure the fans are hitting the front, and you could rotate them in and out.